Eyebrow lifting is a very difficult procedure and surgically very poor results. Thread lifts are the new way of doing a great eyebrow lift. It can be done with various types of products which can last from up to 2 years to even permanently. Different products are used depending on the indication and the age of the patient. I'm going to tell you slightly how we're going to do the procedure, what is the technique, and why threads are going to be the new future for eyebrow lift. So first of all, who needs an eyebrow lift? Anybody who feels that their eyebrows are more flat, they need a curve, or they need a fox eye kind of a phenomena, or they in generally feel there is asymmetry. So if one eyebrow is higher, one is lower, that can be used. It can be used even in people who have nerve damages to balance out the eyebrow. The procedure on an average can take anything from 35 minutes to about 1 hour, depending on whether the threads are temporary or permanent. The permanent ones give longer lasting results but are more difficult to do and are much more expensive. And the best temporary ones, they give results which can last for up to about 2 years. Some of the other threads which are commonly available do not give long lasting results, and as a patient you should be aware of which brand you're going for. The ones which last about 3 to 6 months should not be used for thread lift procedures. I'm going to briefly now tell you about how a thread lift is done. So this is a picture that I have made, a representation of how I'm going to be doing this procedure. So the entry point is from here. So it is hidden within the hair, and these threads usually come with 2 needles. The needles are passed like this into the eyebrow and back. Another needle is passed like this into the eyebrow and back. So basically now they are anchored here. In the permanent ones, they have additional thread to anchor it to the skull above. And as we pull the thread up in this direction, the eyebrow starts to lift up. So the curve of the eyebrow now becomes like this instead of the more flat. So that's how we perform the eyebrow lift using threads.